In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set reminders on Salesforce. If you ever find yourself needing to keep track of important tasks or deadlines, Salesforce provides a handy way to set up reminders that can help keep you on track. Let's dive into the process step by step to ensure you're fully equipped to use this feature effectively. To get started, navigate to your Salesforce homepage. This is your main dashboard and the starting point for accessing all your tools and settings. Once you're on the homepage, look to the top right corner of the screen where you'll find the gear icon. Clicking on this icon will open up a menu with various options related to your account settings and configurations. From the drop-down menu, you'll want to select Open Advanced Setup. This will take you to a more detailed settings page where you can find a variety of options to customize your Salesforce experience. In the top left corner of this page, there's a search bar. Type in the word Task here to quickly locate the section where you will be setting up your reminders. Once you type Task, you'll see an option labeled Task appear in the search results. Click on it and you'll be directed to the Task Management section. Here's where the magic happens. You will see the option to create a new task. Click on New Task. This will bring up a form where you can enter the details for the task you want to be reminded about. At this point, you'll need to choose an object. The object in Salesforce refers to the type of record you want the task to be associated with, such as an account, contact, or opportunity. Once you've selected the appropriate object, click Next to proceed. Finally, it's time to set up your reminder. You can configure the reminder based on the topic or specific details that are relevant to your task. Be as detailed as necessary to ensure that when the reminder pops up, you have all the information you need to complete the task. After you've filled in all the required fields to your satisfaction, that's it. You've successfully set up a reminder in Salesforce. Remember, setting reminders is a great way to stay organized and ensure that nothing falls through the cracks. Whether you're managing client follow-ups or tracking project deadlines, Salesforce reminders can help streamline your workflow and improve your productivity. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful.